All right, guys, we just got it in, the 2021 Husqvarna TE300i Rockstar Edition. I don't think there's ever been a Rockstar Edition off-road bike, so I'm sure there hasn't been, so it's gonna be cool. You're gonna see it first right here. Let's pop the lid and see what we got. Definitely spy some blue clamps in there. Pleated seat cover. All right, let's get this box apart. Oh, I can tell this is gonna be sick. Cool. Let's pull it out of the crate. Alright guys, here it is. It's definitely a sharp bike, just looking at it. And I do like it, but I will tell you, it isn't the blingiest special edition I've ever seen. Let's go over some of the stuff we get on this thing. Obviously, you get the Rockstar look. You get the Rockstar graphics. There's a rundown of a few of the logos. It's definitely a sharp looking bike to be right off the showroom floor like that. You know, everything's, they're not stickers, everything's like molded in, which is really cool. But yeah, so we get the Husqvarna Power Parts skid plate, the same for the front rotor guard. Oh, I like that CD logo right there. You know, you guys know those are my boots. Michelin's my tires, and Motor X is my lubricants now, so that fork guard fits me perfectly. But yeah, probably my favorite is that you get the blue triple clamps, and they are, you know, they are the billet, which most, you know, a lot of the KTM models are the billet, but this anodized blue just really sets it off. Love that. Moving up to the bars, you get this gray, this like lighter gray. I don't know if this is the soft compound, but this lighter gray grip seems like what's coming on all the special editions right now. On the seat, it's solid black. I really wish they'd have put some color into it or something, but I guess this is going to suit everybody pretty well. It's got these pleats, and I love these pleats. They really hold you in place, so that is helpful. And then pretty much the only other thing we get here is the blue sprocket, the Supersprox twin ring. So you got an aluminum anodized center with the steel teeth. So yeah, it's a sharp bike, and if you like the Rockstar logo, it's, I mean, if you want a TE300, you know, this is only like, I want to say $600 or $700 more. So I mean, just for the triple clamps, and you already get the skid plate, and you already get the rotor guard, you almost might as well try to find one of these if you like the look. I do like the look for sure, but I wouldn't mind if they made it about, you know, $800 or $1,000 cheaper and put some more bling on it for me. But yeah, cool bike. I think we've got 2 of these right now, so if anybody's looking for one, as of the publishing of this video, they are available. So comment or give us a call at Appalachian Off-Road MC or in Charleston, West Virginia. And thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.